Okay, karibu tujifunze web development na system development kwa kutumia Python programming language, Django framework, Bootstrap na HTML. Leo nataka kutengeneza simple web system kwa ajili ya kufanya statistics, frequency analysis, grouped data, frequency distributions. Tunataka kucheck information kama vile mean, mode, median, standard deviation, mean deviation, level of skewness pamoja na distribution graphs. Okay. So application hii ni just dynamic. Zipo manual method za kufanya analysis. Ya kwanza ni kutumia Microsoft Excel, ya pili ni Microsoft Power BI. Hizo ni manual method ya kufanya analysis. What is automated analysis? Ni kutumia Python programming language na web framework kama vile Django pamoja na Flask. Okay? So tujue tunataka kutumia Django web framework pamoja na Python pamoja na Bootstrap na HTML to create a statistic web application kwa ajili ya kuvisualize frequency za data ambazo ni grouped data. Okay, so from grouped data find mean, okay, find mode, median and other measure of central tendency and dispersions. Now good. Finally, tunataka kucheck how to group data. For example, targeted column ni age. For example, can be student age or respondent age. For example, age is targeted column. Age interval from 0 to 20, frequency ni hapa. Okay, and age interval from 10 to 20, frequency ni hapa. Okay, so hizi ni dynamic, okay, or automated. So nikija ku add record kwenye database, hii table hapa ita change. Now for example, when I position cursor kwenye my application is up, then ta click hapa student. Okay, so hii ni list of student, then click add student. Okay, for example hapa naja ku add a new record, age is 100 and this is the full name, then I click save. Good. After clicking save, now you can see hii age ya 100, okay, ni out of range, is out of range, sometimes usema ni outliers. Okay, so nikija hapa katika my application, now you can see level of skewness now imeundergo some changes, kama kuna skewness. Okay, good. Now kuja kucheck level of skewness ni 0.30. Okay, and mean deviation imechange, mean imechange pamoja na mode imechange pamoja na median imechange. Okay, good. So ukija hapa katika hii our table, na utakuja kukuta range imeongezeka. Ilikuwa imeishia hapa from 40 to 50, now imeongezeka hii hapa 100 kwenda kwenye level ya 110. Okay, so frequency is 1 sababu tuna rekodi moja tumeiadd kwenye range ya age namna hii. So hii ni age interval ya student na hizi ni frequency zake. So kadri utakavyo add more student, huku itakuwa na generate interval za age pamoja na frequency. This is automated manual method kwa kutumia Microsoft Excel ambayo haiwezi ika adapt any changes. Okay, so what is the video objective? And video objective, how to perform automated grouping of data grouping, grouped data. Okay, hiyo ni automated kutumia Python programming language pamoja na other frameworks kama vile Django. Okay, another is automated frequency analysis. Okay, what is the frequency ni hizi hapa, like mean, mode, median, skewness and so many. Na hii hapa a frequency distribution table kwa is age interval. Hizo ni just a automated frequency analysis kwa sababu zina learn from database. Number 3 objective is measures of central tendency and dispersion. Okay, central tendency is like a mean, mode and median, and dispersion is standard deviation and skewness. Hizo ni dispersion ambazo ni automated as well, so zina learn from data ambazo zipo kwenye database ambazo kazi add at any time. Another objective is frequency distribution graphs. Frequency distribution graph ya kwanza ni hapa, skewness visualization, cumulative frequency ambayo ni hapa. Okay, hizi ni graphs kwa ajili ya ku visualize frequency, na nyingine ni hapa frequency table. Okay, what is target audience? Targeted audience of a video tutorial. Target audience of course researcher, economists and so many. Wote ni targeted audience ambao wanaweza ikawasaidia hii video tutorial. Okay, other features ni material design. Okay, material design umetumia Bootstrap na open source library ya Jet theme. Jet theme ni theme kwa ajili ya user interface of admin site ya Django, lakini hii customer site ambayo ni hii. So hii ni material design. Material design kwa kwamba naweza nika change color at any time. Nikija hapa nikiposition cursor naweza ka change color. For example, now naweza ka choose this color. Now you can see my whole website imeundergo some changes. Nikichange this color, okay, naona imechange rangi. Okay, this color imechange, site nzima imechange color. Okay, so is open source library inaitwa Jet theme for admin site, material design theme. Okay, okay, so nikija hapa kwenye hii hapa bookmarks ni pale ambapo naweza nika add link ninazozitaka. For example, currently nipo kwenye home page, kwa ni click hapa naweza nika add any title. For example, naweza kaandika this is a home page. Okay, after writing home page nakuja ku click add. Now you can see home imekuwa added. Now nikiklik home nita remain kwenye my home page ambayo ni hii ni bookmark. Na nikija katika my application, nikija ku navigate to students, nikija ku edit particular student, now naweza nika book na click hapa bookmark, change student na click add. Now you can see change student in hii. So later nikija ku click change student italeta kwenye hii link. Okay, so ni dynamic user interface theme. Okay, so now I visit the site. Okay, this is my site. Okay, so now how to implement this system. How to implement this system? First step ni ku download Python. Okay, so utakuja Google to download Python. So I'll show you download Python. So utakuja Google, for example, open google.com. Okay, google.com. Okay, so open google.com, this one. Okay, after opening google.com, now download Python. Download Python. After download Python, now install it katika kompyuta yako. Okay, just a link hapa. Okay, so download Python, utakuja hapa katika search zone utaandika download Python. Okay, Python, then click enter to execute. Okay, so ndio ku click link ya kwanza, download Python hii hapa, so na click it. Okay, good. Kisha unabonyeza link ya ku download Python latest version. Okay, so nita download. After downloading tafanya installation kwenye my computer. After installation nita install Django. Okay, so how to install Django? Utakuja hapa katika my computer. For example, this is my computer. Nitafungua command prompt cmd, nitakuja kwenye desktop start button ambapo ni hapa chini nitaandika cmd, just write cmd. Okay, then nitafungua command prompt. So after downloading Python, now you can check Python version. Okay, so nitaandika just pip. Okay, I'm sorry, it's an Python, then space hyphen version and just click enter. Now you can see my current version ya Python here hapa, ikiwa maana kwamba now umesha ifanya installation ya Python. Then another step is to install Django. So use pip command and install Django, then click enter. So amesha fanya installation tayari. After installing Django, now check version, just Django, just write Django, then hyphen admin, then space, then hyphen then version. Okay, so now click enter. Now you can see my current Django version is version 5 current. Okay, after doing so, now we are going to start a new Django web project and application. So let's close it. So navigate to desktop. For example, me na navigate to desktop. Okay, then after navigating to desktop, njoo kwenye hii folder address bar hapa juu, kwenye address bar highlight, then write cmd shortcut, then click enter. So cmd imefungukia kwenye nini, kwenye path ya desktop. So here create a new Django project. Okay, new Django project. How to create a Django project? Then Django, then hyphen admin, okay, then space, then start what project, okay, then space, then project name can be any name. For example, mimi naandika just a project, then click enter. Now you can see project has been created. Okay, so now change directory to that project, cd, yani cd maana yake change directory, tunaingia ndani ya project, change directory to project, then click enter. Tupo mundani, tupo humu, okay, kwenye hii project. Okay, then tunakuja ku create a new Django what application. So Python, okay, Python, then space, then access this file manage.py. Okay, so manage.py, ili file manage.py inafanya kazi ya ku create a new application, migrations, perform migrations, ku manage application kama ku run server and so many. Okay, so sisi tunatumia manage.py ku create a new Django application. Now start app, okay, then space, app name is app, then click enter. Can be any name, meaning app. Now application app has been created. Okay, good. Another step is to perform migrations. So now Python, then manage.py, then migrate. Okay, migrate. Before migrate, now unaweza kufungua before migration. Let's open Visual Studio Code. So shortcut, after installing Visual Studio Code, let's write code space dot / fungua Visual Studio Code. Now Visual Studio Code has been opened na imefungukia hapa katika our project. Our project ni hii hapa. Okay, so now good. So another step is to perform migrations. So how to perform migrations? Command is Python, then space, then manage.py, then migrate, then click enter. Okay, so now you can see migrations take place. Good. After performing migrations, now create a superuser, Python manage.py, okay, then create super, okay, superuser, then click enter. Specify username, my name, okay, can be any name, my name Samir. Email address, just click enter, leave blank. Password, write your password, repeat again password, then press Y for yes. Okay, so now another step is to run our server. So let's stop current server and run. Let's stop it. Okay, so run server. How to run server? Just the same, Python, then manage.py, run server. You can specify another argument hapa, IP address. Now you can see mimi nipo kwenye local network, nipo kwenye internet. Naweza kwa run server kwa kutumia my IP address for development purpose. Kwenye deployment tunatumia IP address, then click enter. Now good. So this is a loopback IP address, okay? Lakini for development, for deployment unatumia computer IP address ili iweze kupatikana na kompyuta nyingine kwenye network kama hiyo ni save, okay? So now select it and copy this IP address and open browser, and then come to paste kwenye web browser, then click enter. And now good. Django has been installed successful, and this is our first project. Okay, now good. Hapa kwenye hii site, just click it / and then write admin, click enter. Good. So admin site has been opened like this, admin site. Okay, so username is Samir, password, okay, then click login. Good. So now this is the Django administration, default Django administration theme. Okay, good. So another step is to install open source library for admin site customization ambayo inaitwa ni django-jet. Okay, so now utavisit kwenye django-jet documentation ambayo ni hii, nimeweka link kwenye video description ya hii site. Okay, so here utakuja kukliki hapa get started. Okay, now good. After clicking get started, you click installation. This is the first link. Another link is this one. Okay, ambayo ni GitHub repository. Ulia ku copy hii hapa command inaitwa pip install django-jet-reboot. Okay, so hii ni link ya kwanza, lakini hii hapa ni link ya pili. Okay, so link ya kwanza hii hapa ina hii hapa command kwa ajili ya kuinstall django-jet. Okay, so now open command prompt, just cmd. Okay, command prompt, then after opening now paste pip install django-jet-reboot, then click enter. Okay, now good. After performing installation ya django-jet-reboot, suppose installation imeshamalizika, umesha complete installation. Okay, okay, so after installing, another step is to register jet theme in installed apps kwenye application. So now copy it, jet. Okay, so open source code and open settings ni hapa, double click to open. Okay, so nitakuja hapa kwenye installed apps, nitakuja ku just paste hapo jet. Okay, now good. Now register also jet theme kwenye project URL. So now click project URL, now come to documentation, copy this link. Okay, so nita copy hiyo link, nitakuja kuipaste hapa. Okay, hapo good. Now include is not identified, sababu haijakuwa declared, so kwenye path weka comma, then add another attribute ambayo inaitwa include. Okay, hapo error itaondoka. So remove this dash admin and write dashboard, then save changes. Now open command prompt, project current na run ambayo ni hapa. Okay, so hapa ndio kufanya migrations. So now control C, now stop it, and now Python manage.py, then make migrations, then specify application name is jet. Okay, ambayo tumeifanyia kumeregister soon kwenye settings. Now click enter to execute. Okay, tumeshafanya migrations. Okay, so run again saver, run saver. Okay, now good. After running saver, now come to refresh our admin site. Okay, so now you can see admin is don't identify this path kwa sababu tumesha change. Path now is dashboard. Our path is dashboard, then click enter. Okay, no such table jet pinned application. I think I need to perform migration again, so stop it and Python manage.py make migration again, but remove jet, click enter. Okay, no changes. Okay, migrate. I think there's a problem. Migrate again. Okay, now good. Migration imeshafanikiwa. Okay, so now run saver. Okay, okay, saver current na run. So now come to refresh our site. Okay, now we have material design. See, this is a material design. What Django, but for me kuna some interference kwa sababu nimeinstall library nyingi, so kuna interference. So nimeconnect computer yangu kwenye network, kama unavyoona ipo kwenye network, internet access. Nimetumia mobile phone, USB tethering. Unaweza kama umetumia Ethernet na nini. Okay, so open again our application current na run. Now stop it, then just write ipconfig okay, then copy this IP address, copy IP version 4 address, kwa kwa itaonekana hapa IP version 4 address. Now copy it, then again run server, then run server kwenye hii IP address, then give port number. This one is port number, okay, this one. So hiyo itaonekana your IP address itakuwa ni network ambayo umeconnect, okay, kwa network ambayo umeconnect, then click enter to execute. Okay, now you can see our server na run now kwenye hii hapa IP address, sio tena local computer. Local computer ni loopback IP address. So now copy it and open again our site, then paste it, okay, 192.168, okay, hiyo ni class C, then click enter and /dashboard, okay, good. So now you can see this material design. So username was Samir, this is the password, then click enter. Now hii ndo material design, this is material design, okay, and now hii ni homepage and this is admin, okay, path ni dashboard, sio tena admin, okay, path is dashboard. So how to start our project? Now, I think after downloading a source code, we should download the source code, okay. Now we are going to implement our business logics, okay. Now open source code, then open models, double click models, and copy this model, class name of student, okay. We have four fields: age, full name, registered date, and update date. I think recopy and come to paste kwenye what or our application, then access models, open up, okay, expand your application, then open models, double click and delete everything and just paste your source code, okay. Now class is student, this is a table name, schema name, okay, schema name, our table in database or schema, okay. First field is the age, data type is the integer, okay. This is verbose is just like alias name, okay. Full name is data type is character field or variable character, and verbose name is the full name, okay. This is the data size, and this is constraint, can be null and can be blank, okay, constraint, okay. And registered date is current date, automatic current date, and auto now add is true in current date and updated at, okay. And class meta itarun kipindi hii model inakuwa called kwenye database student, and ita return full name. Here we calculate a z score to determine measure of dispersion, z score as well, okay. So now save changes. Now you can use, now we need to perform migrations. Now open our application here. Now Control C, stop it, Python main.py, then make migration. Migration making our application name is app, then click enter. No install the app, I'm sorry. So now no install the app. Come to settings. Now register our application. Just our application is app, okay. Ambayo iko hapo yenyewe hii hapa. Our application is app, okay. So after registering now, open again command prompt, then repeat the same command, Python main.py make migrations. Our application name is app, then click enter. Okay, migration done, okay. Model is what? Is student, ambayo fanywa migration. Then we migrate kwenda kwenye database. Now migrate, okay. Migrate Python main.py, then migrate. Good. Then run server, okay. Good. I think you need to run server, so stop it kwenye ile IP address, then run server kwenye the same IP address, this one, okay. This is the IP address, then click enter. Good. Now come to refresh. So when admin setting refresh, our student model haionekani. Why? We need to register what, just come to models, to register this model in admin site. Now copy source code kwa ajili ya kupunguza muda, and now access ChatGPT. You can access ChatGPT. Now write ChatGPT, okay? Or you can copy source code, any, you can choose anyway, ChatGPT or source code, okay? So on source code, access admin, okay, this is admin. Now copy source code, select all, and open your application. This is the application, and access admin, double click it and delete everything. Okay, so now paste it here, and control C shortcut ya ku save changes. Okay, so here's an importation from Django import admin, from import export mixing, okay, and import, I think hizi zote ni dependence. We need to install all these dependencies to install. Sub application now it run error. We need to install this one, import export. How to install? You're on source code, and from source code now you can see here we need to install pandas, numpy, spice, and plotly, or I think jet-reboot. We should install this one as being installed. Let's remove it. Okay, so automation install it. Okay, so we need to install pandas. So now copy it and open CMD. Okay, then paste and click enter. After installing, copying numpy, copy, then again open CMD. Okay, then paste it, then click enter to install. Okay, and so this zote perform installation ya zote ya hii. Okay, after installing his libraries, now we need to run up a project. Okay, so kuja katika project, current project yetu ina run, so come to refresh, to refresh our site, refresh it. Good, now you can see application student. Your application is up. Okay, up, then model is student. Now click it. Now template does not exist, or what is import export? Now we need to register. Okay, so now come to settings, we need to register. How to register? Open source code, open settings, navigate to install the apps, okay, and copy import export dependence. Now come to paste in our project. Okay, save changes. Now come to refresh. Okay, good. So now we need to add student. You can add here my student age and so many. Okay, so now we import from Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now click import. Here we import age and full name. Okay, age and full name zimekuwa defined kwenye admin site. Kwenye admin hapa ndipo tulipo define importation. We import age na full name. Okay, hizi ndo imported fields. Okay, so now here just click here, choose file. Okay, navigate to desktop, and our project, I think. Good. So our record is ipo kwenye Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you have a column age, column full name, na hizi ni cells, data cells. Okay, so age, okay, hizi ni age, and we have a number of records. Okay, so tuna records za kutosha. Okay, so from these records we find what zile group data. Age, class age kutokana na magroup. Okay, and then you find hizo what measures of central tendency, dispersion, and graphs. Uweze kuplot graphs and so many analysis unazozifanya kupitia hii age. Okay, and this is the full name. How to load this one? Okay, so open our site. From import, choose file, then navigate desktop. This is your source file. Okay, now click it to upload. and submit. So our data will be loaded kwenye database. Click on confirm import. Okay, so hii ni simple way ya kuupload document, kuupload what records, na millions of records unaweza kuzi upload hapo kwenye Django. Kwenye Django ina support Django ina support. Okay, so now tuna load information kwenye database. It take few seconds to complete the task. Okay, now good, after importing, now let's check analysis. Okay, so now visit site, view site, right click and click open in new tab. Okay, so now you can see hakuna hii URL redirection iliyofanyika kwenye hii page. Okay, so we need to create a function ambayo ita allocate kwenye hii page. Okay, okay, so now good, open source code, then open application. Hapa katika application, click kwenye application, right click, new folder, and folder name is templates. Okay, so Django is model, view and template. Okay, template yenyewe ndio hii. So now click template, right click on template, new file, then this file is new file. Okay, file hili itakuwa ni base file. Okay, so base.html, base.html. Okay, so again template, new file. Okay, so file name will be index.html. Okay, good. So now create another file kwenye app, right click on app, new file, urls.python file extension. Okay, so now open project urls hapo. So remove without any comments, remove comments, yes, comments. Okay, good. So register our application urls kwenye project urls. Okay, so now just write here a path. Okay, path is built-in function path. Okay, so now path is empty. Okay, and now just write include. Okay, and include is built-in function, inapitisha single argument. Argument yenyewe ni inakuwa ndani ya quotation kwa sababu ni string. Ni our application is app. Okay, so now app use dot operator to access members of app and URLs. Okay, URLs. Now save changes. Again, open our project views.py. Okay, .python, and create a function def, definition a function. Our function name is index. Inapitisha one parameter. Parameter is request. Okay, is request. Implement our function kuongeza colon, and now return our web page in index.html. Okay, so return what? Template. Kwa sababu ni template tunairender. Okay, so render, na render yenyewe ni hii hapa, tulisha import hapa juu, then comma, another argument is template yenyewe ni just index. Okay, index.html. Okay, so we need to perform routing ya hii request hapa kwenye URLs ya application, not ya project. Come to source code and then open URLs and then copy it. Punguza muda kuandika code then paste. Now tume import views and so many, tutakuja kutumia baadaye. Path and function name is index, name is index. Okay, position cursor nikiclick, index yenyewe ndo hii hapa. Okay, okay, so now hapa currently kuonyesha error. Okay, so now just refresh it. Tap was no attribute get. I think there's a problem. Okay, get. Okay, let's check it. Where is the problem? Request index.html. I think everything is good. Okay, now save changes. Nije kwenye index. This is the index is empty. Let's check it. Okay, and views, check views, it's URLs and URLs. Yep, okay, URLs and from app import views. I think hii hatuhitaji, and this one hatuhitaji. Okay, good. Nikija kwenye URLs ya project, I think include app.urls. I think this is good. Okay, what is the problem? Okay, so now check it's running our project. Okay, to run our project is okay. I think kuna a problem. Okay, no problem. Just open a source code. Open a source code and open base. Open a template, expand a template, and double click on base.html. Copy source code, okay, and you come to paste base. Yep, okay. So now paste it. Save changes. What do we do? How about we find to extend base ya jet theme, and we add extra style. We load static. We do not have any static. Not able any static. Okay, so now this line ya kuidelete. Okay, hizi ni CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript. Okay, just zinafahamika. Okay, hizo ni CDNs. CDNs manake ni libraries za CSS. Okay, JavaScript and so many. Okay, so again copy source code, open index.html and copy this source code. Copy source code, come to our site, index.html, paste it, save changes. And now let's try to run output. I think there is the error. Tuple has no attribute get. Where's the problem? Tuple has no attribute get. Okay. Let's correct your mistake. Okay, and let's check a source code and open views. This is views, and this is our function index, and this is return. Okay, return render. There is a mistake. Return render. This is the return render. Okay, I'm sorry. Return render, and this is a request. Okay, request. This one. I think it will work. So now save changes, and then I'll come to refresh and output. Okay, I think there's another problem. Okay, function has no attribute get. Okay, so I think if you refresh, just kuna conflict. Now we have a frequency analysis, mean, mode, median, and hakuna data yote na display. Okay, so just copy views. We need to copy views. Okay, so Control A. Okay, then Control C, copy all, and open view. Control A, Control C, Control C, copy, Control V, shortcut ya paste. Okay, so now hapa tunafanya importation. Tumeimport render, tumeimport student our class kutoka kwenye model, tumeimport pandas, tumeimport numpy, spice, tumeimport norm kwa ajili ya kuplot normal distribution curve and so many. Okay, we calculate age. Okay, kwa ajili ya ku find class interval. Okay, from 0 to 10 limit, na kuja ku load data from database na kufanya hizi. I think hizi code zipo nyingi, sina haja kuzielezea zote hizi. And cumulative frequency, and I think sina muda kwa kuzielezea hizi. Okay, so hapa tume just ku pass keys zinaenda kupokelewa kwenye template hizo hapo. Okay, tumezipass kwenye single variable inaitwa content. Content tutabeba vyote hivi. Okay, we have our data set, we have frequency table, we have mean, median, mode, median, class, standard deviation, mean deviation, skewness and so many. Hizi zote ni variable tumezifanyia computation huko juu. Now save changes, utasoma comment na kuangalia kodi na inafahamisha nini. Now ni refresh my site. I think here our site ina run and I refresh it. Why ina take time? Ina take time kwa ajili ya kuload hizi dependence hizi hapa juu. Sometime ina take time, okay? Kwa ajili ya kuload dependence, na ikishakuwa load dependence sasa kuleta hii hapa output. Okay, now you can see our output. So this is the age interval and this is the frequency. Hizo age zimetoka wapi kwenye Excel? Na age ya 108 mpaka kule chini kwenye record, lakini huku inakuja kuzifanyia nini? Na hizi data zipo kwenye database. Nikija ku click up, nikija ku click students, hawa hapa. Na hii ni pagination. Of course zipo nyingi, record zipo nyingi, okay? Hizo zipo kwenye database, lakini tumefanya ku import ambazo ni hizi. So unaona from his record, nikija katika view site hapa nimekuja kutengeneza nini? Frequency. Umri huu hapo kadhaa. Hii kuonyesha kwamba dynamic inaenda kuifuta ile code ambayo ni outlier. So nikija kwenye application, nikija ku click hapa student, hiyo 100 na find hiyo record ya 100 I think hii hapa, okay? So now click it, click delete student, click go, then confirm, okay? Shall delete, then view site. Now okay, see data zimekuwa normal distribution, sababu skewness ni relative small, ambayo ina indicate kwamba our variable ambayo ni age imekuwa normally distributed. Ikiwa naona kwamba kuna value iliyo exceed what iliyoenda mbali na mean. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation ni measure of dispersion, inaonyesha how far data point ipo closest au ipo far kwenye hii mean. Vipi data imeenda mbali au ipo karibu na mean, ndio maana standard deviation, okay? Mean deviation. Skewness ni distortion of data, zimedistort positively or negatively, ndio skewness. So hii curve unaona imekaa ni normal distribution. Ikibend tayari data zimelalia upande fulani, hiyo inakuwa ni skewness. So now this is symmetric, okay? So now this is symmetric sababu hakuna distortion of records, okay? So now you can position cursor, okay? Ni position cursor na kuona kila, hii ni bell shape. Kwa kila position cursor unaona inaonyesha value fulani, okay? Na hata hii inaonyesha what is this upper class boundary na cumulative frequency, yeah, okay? Upper class boundary na cumulative frequency yake, okay? Upper class boundary, okay? What is upper class boundary? Is 10, 20, 30, 40 ni 50. Hizi ni upper class boundary. Lower class is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 is in lower class. So what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency here versus upper class boundary, okay? So upper class boundary ni here this is 10 and 20 upper class. Kwa kipindi ipo 10, cumulative frequency ilikuwa ngapi? 200, okay? Ndio maana yakeonyesha, okay? So how to bookmark, una click currently ipo kwenye home page, just write home and click add. So nikiklik hapa tanileta kwenye home, okay? Again nikiklik kwenye my application, then nikiklik kwenye students, how ni student, naweza nikai click bookmark, click add, ina add student. Just nikija katika authentication, nikija kwenye users, hii hapo is in book, okay? Hii hapo add users, okay? I want to add user, so nataka hii link ni book, okay? So just click it, add, inakuwa hii hapa add user, okay? I want to add a group, so here, okay, groups, then add, Okay, hapa kwenye add na click hii hapa bookmark add, itakuwa nimeadd group. Okay, so now I want to change to see list of groups. Okay, so now click it hapo. Okay, so now click home kwenye zile link zangu na naleta kwenye home. Select student hapa kwenye student, add user hapa na add user. Okay, then the same. Okay, so hii hapa ni kwa ajili ya hapa kwa ajili ya kuchange color. How to change, inakuja hapa katika hii site documentation, inakuja hapa katika configurations kwenye hii documentation ya jet theme kwa ajili ya kuweka hii option ya kuchange color. Okay, inakuja kwenye custom jet theme na just click it. Now good, now you can see hizi ni just a theme. I find somewhere this one. Okay, so copy this jet theme. Okay, copy it and just come to settings. This settings, navigate huko chini. Okay, just paste. Okay, okay, then save changes again. Hii hapa ni default theme, copy it, default theme. Now come to paste, na kupaste hapa, then save changes. We need to add another thing. Okay, 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 so kuna hii hapa, yes, hii hapa. Okay, hii inafanya menu kwa expanded. So nikiklik hii, nikiweka hapa, okay, nikisave changes, nikija kurefresh my site, unaona sasa hivi nikibonyeza hapo ndio inashusha listi zake, lakini nikirefresh zote zitakaa huko. Kwa hiyo option ya pembeni inayotokea kwa itakuwepo. Okay, so run your application. So unaona sasa hivi linki zote zimekaa huko. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu ya hii side, na nikitoa sasa hivi itakuwa inaletea option, itakuwa inamwaga right side. Option itakuwa zinaonekana right side. For example, unaona inamwaga huko. Okay, wakati mara kwanza ilikuwa imetoa. Okay, kuna kitu kingine cha msingi cha muhimu. Okay, hiki hapa jet theme, I think compact menu. I think compact menu ni kama sio hapa, ni custom menu. Let's check. Okay, let's check kwenye source code. Ita take time kutafuta hapo. Tule kwenye settings and I think this one. Okay, this one, X-frame options, same origin. Now paste kwenye project settings. Hii inafanya kazi gani? Ya kuonyesha hiki hapa. Nije kwenye authentication ndio authorization, kija kwenye users, kija kwenye add users, I think kwenye this my user, nikija kwenye permissions, nikiklik hii ni relationship. Nikiklik, umeona inamwaga hii. Kama nataka ni add hii relationship, kwa mother table yake ni hii ndio mother table. Okay, nini kimewezesha? Ni hii command X-frame options same origin. Nikicomment hapa, nikirefresh, utaona kitachotokea. Just sababu ina run saver. Okay, good, refresh again. Okay, so nikiclick hapo inaleta error. Kwa nini? Sababu nimeicomment hapa. Okay, so hii inawezesha relationship table kuweza kufill data kwenye relationship table. Okay, refresh again, good. Na nikifika hapo naweza nika add record hapo. Okay, okay, so let's visit this site now. Nafikiri umeleni a lot. Ni tumeangalia objective, automated grouping of data, application ina learn from experience. So nikija kwenye ku add a new record, for example niki add a new student, add student, for example age is 120, full name, this is the full name. Nikiklik save, data itakuwa added na tayari isha detect hii ni outlier mpaka hapo, kwa sababu umri wa 120 ni umeenda mbali na hizi zilizokuwepo. Umri uliokuwepo hapo ni mdogo sana. Huyu ndo ana umri mkubwa kuliko wote, kwa hiyo inakuwa ni outlier, na z score yake ni 7.9.84, ikiwa maana kwamba hii ni standard deviation, imeenda mbali sana. Kwa hivyo nikija kwenye kuiangalia site yangu, umeona hii skewness imeshafanyika distortion, sio tena normal distribution, imebend na frequency imeongezeka hapa kwenye interval 120 mpaka 130 ipo mmoja. Okay, ina learn from data ambazo zinaingia kwenye system. Okay, automated frequency analysis and measure of central tendency dispersion, ndo hizo, and frequency distribution graph. I think episode imekamilika. Okay, so utaweka comment kwenye comment box, utashare na kusubscribe.